Namaste. Today I am here to share with you under our talk series in the post-coronavirus pandemic lockdown on the mental health and happiness issues. Our initiative Anandam by Kartavya Welfare Society in association with ISN Media, Indian Special News, Magazine for CSR and Sustainability by World Hope Foundation. Friends, under this series, there will be a lot of programs on mental health and happiness in the communities, with the children, with the adults, with the elderly, with women, with the old age people, with all the people across the various age groups. And the mission of this program, Anandam, as the name suggests, be happy, enjoy life, relax, stress-free life. And this is very important, especially in the post-coronavirus pandemic, post-lockdown life, where there is a lot of stress and negativity and all sorts of tensions and emergency and crisis, and the entire surroundings and the area and the vibrations, everything is becomes so negative that we need to really stay positive. Find reasons, find causes, find ways to be positive yourself, and also to create a positive environment around you, to make people positive around you. Positivity brings happiness, and happiness cures lot of sickness. So mental sickness, as you know, on 10th of October, that is a National Mental Health Day, there are more than 30 crore people in India who are under mental stress, mental sickness, mental disorders and various kinds of mental problems, which create a lot of problems in the houses, personally in their lives, at the workplaces, in their professional careers. It creates violence in the society. It creates an environment where people are not at ease, not at rest. And because of that, the violent aggression and aggressive nature, aggressive behavior, and people turning violent at each other, non-tolerance, that creates a lot of trouble, not only in the personal relationships but also in the professional relationships. And that causes loss of money, loss of convenience, loss of luxuries, loss of health, loss of wealth, and the most important, loss of peace of mind. You are not at peace, which is the most important. So in this talk series, we will be inviting professionals and experts, doctors, various people from the corporates, industry, academia, the medical fraternity, people from various walks of life, teachers, students, influencers, society leaders, RWAs. We are inviting a whole lot of people, and also in association with doctors, psychologists, psychiatrists, all those people who can help creating a better environment for all. Please join the mission Anandam. Support with your donations, with your CSR contributions, with corporate donations. You can become a member and help creating a happy, positive, sustainable society around the earth. Thank you very much. Stay positive, stay safe.